welcome back to the Black Panda channel. Something interesting is happening on the biggest exchange in South Africa, which is VALR. So they've introduced a features option. You can trade features on VALR now, which is very, very interesting. So firstly, you just need to open your VALR app. Link in bio for those that want to join and don't have the VALR application. So you can't trade on the main account. You have to create a sub account. So I just deposited at least the young 500 rands just to see how things go. So created a sub account, coded Bitcoin 300k because I believe Bitcoin will hit 300k in this cycle. And I might just hold this trade that I'm holding right now all the way until $300,000 per Bitcoin. So you open up a sub account, just create a sub account, then you create the sub account, then you move funds from your main account to your sub account. Then once you're on your sub account, you're just going to click on trade. Just going to click on trade. Then at the very top where it's written ETH USDT, just click there. As you can see, we have the spot side, and on the spot side, as you can see, there's a lot more coins. There's a lot more coins on spot. Then next to spot, there's features. Next to spot, there's features. So as you can see on features, we have all of the pairs. We have AVAX, we have BTC, we have Doge, we have ETH, we have Sol, and we have XRP. So they're a bit limited when it comes to the coins that you can trade, but nonetheless, it's a good step in the right direction. We believe that they will add more coins as time goes on and will eventually trade more pairs. But currently we have these pairs: AVAX, BTC, Doge, ETH, Sol, and XRP. So again, let's say you want to long BTC USDT, you're just going to click on BTC USDT. Then it's going to bring you to this option. Obviously, we want to long, which is buy. Then if you want to add a limit price, you can add so it can buy at that specific point, or you can buy on market execution. Then you can decide your leverage. Right now it's on 30x. So you can move it up all the way into 60x, or you can move it down all the way into 10, 15x, depending on your risk tolerance. So I'm currently on 50x. I'm currently on 30x. I mean to say I'm currently on 30x. Then you can choose how much ETH, how much BTC, how much of the trade you want to expose yourself to, and just increase 50%, 70%, 100%. All depends on your risk appetite. So currently, as you can see down here, I have a BTC USDT trade. I have a BTC USD trade on 30x leverage. The quantity is 0.0047 BTC. The total is 507 USDT, which is basically the amount of money on leverage. So I might have used maybe $20 on this trade, and times 30, it amplified to $500. Then my average entry price was 109. The market price right now is at 108. My liquidation price is 104, meaning that if price were to reach 104.075, then I will be kicked out of this trade and basically lose all my money. Then I also have an ETH trade down here. Then with ETH, it's quantity 0.057, then total $147. My average entry price is 2,518. The market price is 2,511. My liquidation price is 2,180. So if the price were to reach 2,180, I will be kicked out of the trade. Then we have the realized P&L, which is here 4 cents, negative 4 cents. Then the unrealized is negative 45 cents. Then on the BTC trade, as we can see, the realized P&L is negative $5. So I'm currently down $5 on my BTC trade. So this is something very, very interesting. This can help you get more Bitcoin than you can you could initially afford. This can help you afford more Bitcoin. On 10x leverage, you come here with 100 rands, it amplifies your 100 rands 10 times, and you enter a trade worth $1,000 or $50 with a mere 100 rand. So this is a game changer for exchanges in South Africa, and I hope you jump on this opportunity, enter those BTC trades, those ETH trades, whether you're longing, whether you're shorting, whichever direction that you see on the charts. Take advantage, use VALR to enter your trades. There is even leaderboards for those that want to try features on VALR. So there's a lot you can do now on this exchange. So take advantage. So VALR's first features trade promotion, crypto awards for new features traders in July. So we're currently in July, and if you're a new features trader, you can take advantage of this. So at VALR, we always focused on providing our users with opportunities to engage with cryptocurrency markets in a secure and rewarding way. From the 1st of July to the 7th of August, we are offering a first features trade promotion that provides eligible users with the opportunity to unlock rewards after placing their first features trade. This promotion is designed to support new traders by offering features trading fees, discounts, and cryptocurrency rewards up to $200. So in addition, the top 3 features traders who trade at least $1,000 in volume are given within a week will each receive $100. So they will each receive $100. So very exciting stuff. Make sure that you click the link in the bio, register to trade on VALR, and yeah, take advantage of this. You might be in the top 3 new features traders, or you might receive rewards up to $200, and there is a lot of opportunity when it comes to this. So with that being said, I think this brings me to the end of my video. I will be doing follow-up videos on my trades, basically just showing you guys how it's going trading on VALR and how safe it is, how risky it is. Leverage is always risky, but we make sure that we always take advantage and limit our risk. Thank you, everyone.